Hi everyone. It's always helpful as a curriculum designer to take a step back and examine the overall design process. In this module, we did just that. Our reading stressed the importance of looking at data and other information to decide what is important and what can be revised. Using data to inform changes to content, to outcomes, to sequencing is both a skill and an art. The first question, of course, is knowing what specific data should be used to evaluate the class or program. Assessment data, how students did on tests, quizzes, papers, and activities are all part of a good data set. Couple that with other information such as faculty who may have taught the course are all viable sources of information. To give you an example of the overall design process in action, here in the doctoral program at CityU, we regularly take a step back once the quarter is done to assess how a class went. The first few data points focus around the end-of-course evaluations, which, by the way, should be coming out soon, so be on the lookout for it. In these evaluations, both quantitative as well as qualitative data about the class is analyzed. Coupled with this, we also ask instructors how they felt the class went, using a variety of questions ranging from materials to activities. Utilizing both of these perspectives, we start seeing a picture of areas to look at for revision. Then we make a decision on what could be revised for when the class is offered the next time. As we designers step back, it's important to note a question that is implicit to all of this. What is your role as a leader in this process? For some, it means that you as a leader are responsible for the entirety of the program, accounting for the students, outcomes, and even the faculty that teach. For others, it means that you exercise your leadership in content knowledge and ensuring that others who collaborate with you do the same. I appreciate what the book talks about at the end of chapter 24, referring to the need for a more encompassing vision of excellence. As leaders in curriculum design, holding on to excellence and sustaining that for the long haul is a hallmark of good leadership, and ensuring that others around you, the organizations and institutions that you work with, do the same. It's both a challenge and a joy. This ends the formal didactic nature of the class, and next week we'll focus on self-reflection and application. You'll turn in your last assignment and fill out the end-of-course evaluation. I will also offer a midweek, likely Thursday, an open Collaborate session where I'll be online and you can choose to drop in to discuss the assignment and get any last-minute tips, or just want to catch up on anything we've talked about this quarter. For now, and as you have for the past couple months, wrap up the online discussion on this module, and I'll see you all online.